हेलो मिनी पंजाब। हाँ, होम डिलीवरी के लिए एक ऑर्डर देना था। एक पनीर बटर मसाला, 4 नान और 2 वनीला आइसक्रीम। बिल अमाउंट कितना हुआ? 699। ठीक है, मैं आपको ऑनलाइन ट्रांसफ़र कर देती हूँ। और डिलीवरी कितने टाइम में हो जाएगी? 30 मिनट। ठीक है, थैंक यू। अरे फिर से। हेलो। हाँ, अरे सुनो ना, ये बैंक से फिर से एक एसएमएस आया है। कुछ 330 रुपये मांग रहे हैं फॉर सम इंश्योरेंस स्कीम। हाँ, बोल रहे हैं ऑटो डेबिट हो जाएगा, बैंक अकाउंट में बैलेंस रहना चाहिए। पता नहीं ये बार बार बैंक वाले क्यों ऐसे मैसेजेस करते रहते हैं इंश्योरेंस स्कीम्स के बारे में, जिसका कोई आइडिया नहीं है। हाँ ठीक है, डिस्कस करते हैं, आ जाओ। देखा आपने, एक रात के डिनर के लिए हम 700 रुपये खर्च कर देंगे, लेकिन इंश्योरेंस के लिए कोई हमसे 300 रुपये मांग ले, आंख से आंसू निकल जाते हैं।
सुना सुना लागे जग, सुना सुना लागे कोई रहे ना जब।
I think it is because insurance के benefits are absolutely unknown to most people. And insurance का claim, हे भगवान, ये ना ही करना पड़े लाइफ में तो ही अच्छा है, is what most of us think. So I decided कि यार इंश्योरेंस के बारे में थोड़ा ज्ञान बांटना तो ज़रूरी है. Hence decided to speak about a very very public insurance scheme, जिसमें आपने, आपके नेबर्स ने, हम सब ने एनरोल कर रखा है, बट किसी को कोई आइडिया नहीं है कि एग्जैक्टली ये स्कीम क्या है. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द प्राइम मिनिस्टर्स जीवन ज्योति बीमा योजना. So I'll be covering the benefits of the scheme, the things you can do under the scheme after enrolling, including the certificate of insurance download, the nominee updation, and finally the claims process of the scheme. So let's get started. So, in the year 2015, the government of India launched a public scheme called the Prime Minister's Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana. It's a very very simple life insurance scheme in which the nominee gets an amount of INR 2 lakh in case of the death of the life assured. And anybody from the age group of 18 to 50 could enroll in this. It was a pure insurance scheme and there was no savings element to it. The rollout of the scheme was done through banks. About 16 banks participated in this scheme. It included all government and private banks. So all you had to do was give a debit mandate to the bank. This debit mandate again could in most banks be given through internet banking, which was again a very very simple process. In ICICI Bank, I just had to go to the relevant insurance section, choose the PMJJBY scheme, fill up a couple of details, and phew, I am in. Please note that this insurance scheme picks up the nominee details of your policy from your bank account only. After enrolling, you could also perform certain edits on your policy. So in case your nominee details are not correctly updated, you can update the same. How do you do that? You again either can approach the bank, give them the letter, or you can directly go to the insurance company's website and get the nominee updation done from there. अरे ये इंश्योरेंस कंपनी कहाँ से आ गया? मैंने तो इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी बैंक से खरीदी है. सो कभी स्विगी से ऑर्डर किया है आपने? हाँ, तो स्विगी के एग्जीक्यूटिव्स बैठ के खाना बना रहे होते हैं क्या? नहीं ना. स्विगी इज जस्ट एन एग्रीगेटर and there are restaurants at the back end supporting the Swiggy guys to get the food delivered to you. Similarly, there is an insurance company that is working at the back end managing the policies that you have opted for from the bank. So bank is equal to Swiggy and insurance company is equal to the restaurant. For example, in my case, my policy is through ICICI Bank. And the underlying insurance company supporting my policy is ICICI Prudential Life Insurance Company. Hence, I just have to go to the ICICI Prudential website and select the PMJJBY scheme, and there I get 3 options, and look, I need to just submit the nominee updation option, and there my nominee is updated. The second thing that you can do with your policy is the certificate of insurance download. It is a document that gives you details of your premium, your sum insured, your nominee, your member ID, which is essentially your policy number. So 2 benefits. 1 is, of course, you can verify the details of your policy. 2, sense of satisfaction. And 3, and a very very important benefit of the certificate of insurance download is that you can submit that to your nominee so that they can use it at a time when it is very very critical and when you aren't around. The 4th and the most important thing that you can do with your PMJJBY scheme is claim. Claim is the moment of truth for any insurance policy. In PMJJBY scheme, claiming is a very very simple process, and it can be done by using just 4 documents, which again can either be submitted to the bank or it can be uploaded on the insurance company's website. The 4 documents that are required are death certificate of the life assured, the PAN card or the photo ID proof of the nominee, the account details of the nominee, and the death claim form. Please note that the death claim form is different for different insurance companies, and of course it will be different for different banks. So please make sure you have the death claim form that is right according to the insurance company that you've opted for. So for example, an ICICI death claim form will be different from an SBI death claim form and an Axis death claim form. So please make sure you get the right death claim form, fill it and submit it along with the other 3 documents on the insurer's website. So these were certain details of the PMJJBY scheme that I wanted to discuss with you. In case I left out anything, please do mention in the comments section and I'll be glad to clarify. In case you found the content useful, which I'm sure you did, please do share it with your families and friends, and do subscribe to the channel to get regular updates on insurance and personal finance. Thank you guys. Please take very good care of yourselves and have a great day.